Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss another interview question. This time, I will be discussing one very important SQL question which I asked many times. So let's discuss how to find second highest salary from a employee table. So in this video, I am going to discuss three queries by which we can fetch second highest salary from a employee table. So let's get started. So using max, we can get the second highest salary from the employee table. So here is the query. So as you can notice, there are two parts in the query. One is the outer query and second one is the inner query. Basically, we represent a inner query by using the parenthesis like this. And remember, inner query will be executed before the outer query. And here is the table. As you can see, employee ID, employee name and employee salary are the three columns. Under employee salary, there are list of salaries where you can find 50,000 is the highest salary and 20,000 is the second highest salary. As we know, the inner query will be executing first. So select max salary from employee. That means it would be looking for the maximum salary from employee salary column. So where maximum salary is 50,000. That means this inner query will return 50,000. Now next move to the outer query. So here is the outer query. Select max salary from employee where salary less than 50,000. That means it will be looking for the maximum salary and it will be comparing as less than. So apart from the 50,000, if you see 20,000 is the next highest salary. I mean maximum salary. When we are comparing 20,000 less than 50,000, yes, 20,000 is less than 50,000. That means this query will return 20,000 as the second highest salary. So by using limit also, we can fetch the second highest salary from the employee table. Here you can see the query. So as usual, there are two parts. One is the outer query and second one is the inner query. So here is the inner query. As we know, the inner query will be executed first. So select salary from employee order by salary descending limit to. That means this is the descending order. If there is no descending order, so by default it takes ascending order. Select salary from employee order by. So what exactly it means order by? Order by is nothing but a sorting, whether it is ascending order or descending order. So here it will be sorted in the descending order. So descending means it will be sorted from bigger to smaller. And limit to, that means it will be limiting to 2. It will be taking the top 2. So if we sorted in the descending manner, that means 50,000 is the highest salary, it will be coming first, then 20,000, then so on. That means we are taking 2. That means 50,000 and 20,000 will be returned by this inner query. Then we are going to outer query. Select salary from as emp order by salary limit 1. That means here we are not putting anything. So by default it will be ascending order by ascending order. So previously we had 50,000 and 20,000. Now the order will be reversed. That means 20,000 will be coming first, then 50,000. And we are limiting to 1. That means we will be taking the 1 record. So now which one record? That means 20,000. So that means this query will return 20,000, which is nothing but the second highest salary. That is that simple, guys. Similarly, by using top, we can fetch the second highest salary from the employee table. Here you can see the query. So as usual, there is a outer query and there is a inner query. So the query inside the braces is called the inner query, and we know the inner query will be executing first. Select top 2 salary from employee order by salary descending. That means it's clearly saying order by salary in descending. That means this salary will be sorted in the descending manner. I mean bigger to smaller. That means 50,000 will be coming first and then 20,000 and so on. And we are taking the top 2. Top 2 means 50,000 and 20,000. That means this inner query will return 50,000 and 20,000. We are going to the outer query. Here we are selecting top one. That means we are selecting only one record as employee 1, order by salary ascending. Order by salary ascending. That means previously we had 50,000 and 20,000. Now it will be opposite. I mean it will be reversed. 20,000 will be coming first, then 50,000. And we are picking top one record. That means now the top one record is 20,000. That means the entire query will return 20,000 as the second highest salary. So that's clear, right? Please check out my other videos. Thank you so much.